Boy, did we earn our shower today. I'm Jennifer Nicole Lee. Congratulations to all my VIP members that just completed our Deep Detox Sexy Sculpt and Stretch. We did tons of elongation moves, fused in with positive affirmations, some toning moves. We even did our foam rollers and our stability ball. So great, what a complete comprehensive workout. We did so much in just an hour. I love what I do, and I know that it shows because I see the changes in my, they're not even clients, but my friends, my VIP sisters worldwide. I see the results. So if you want to finally let go of all excuses and release all guilt, shame, doubt, negative self-talk, release all blame from others, what they did to you years ago, and finally just walk into your VIP power, you know where to find me, jnlvip.com. I've been a top transformational life coach from 2003, and I'm so grateful to experience all the miracles and the magic that I see daily in my clients' lives, because I created this program from my own frustrations of being overweight, being over 200 pounds, having children back to back, suffering a miscarriage, having a lot of health issues, chronic fatigue, depression, anxiety, things that I openly share with each and every one of you because I'm not perfect. I'm just like you, a woman that wants to finally crack her success code, get off that downward spiral, because I was going down on that downward spiral, and get on that upward spiral. Now, I'm speaking to the real woman out there. I've been around the park a couple of times. I'm 44. I've been a part of a lot of groups. I've done a lot of different empowerment seminars and speaking engagements, and for some reason, I always feel like when I go to these empowerment seminars or speeches or get-togethers, I feel like even the people there that want to help you, they secretly don't want you to be better than them. They secretly are kind of competing against you. They don't say it openly. I want to change that. I want to change that with JNL VIP. You see, my goal and my job and my passion and my purpose is to have my clients be better than me in all areas of their lives, because their success is my success. Their success is a direct expression of my coaching. It's almost like a prism. You see a diamond, it's just a beautiful diamond, right? But when you put that light through it, it breaks and it fractures and it scatters into all those beautiful colors of the rainbow. That's the VIP power. You see, it's like that light, and through my coaching, you shine even brighter. And that's the secret of the VIP program. We cover holistic mind, body, spirit, personal, professional, financial. Also, it's not about how many members or followers you have or how big your following is. It's about the quality. And I've learned that through my experience being a veteran transformational coach. Okay? And that's what I love. I love the pureness, how authentic it is, and how genuine it is. I could easily stand here and tell you about all my accolades and all my certifications and all the great things I'm doing. And it's not about me, guys. It's about you. What are your goals? Where are you now? What do you want to achieve? What do you need to release? Who do you need to forgive to let go of that resentment so you can truly heal yourself on a deep cellular level? All right, so if you love what I'm saying, please visit jnlvip.com. $1 for your first 30 days. And it's very important because January is New Year, New Decade, New You. I always host, like I've done for the past 5 years, a 4-part webinar series to get you totally in alignment with your life's purpose, so you can have inner peace daily, not let other people fluster you or get you frustrated, because that's sometimes, sadly enough, that's what they love to do, to push your buttons. And you are deeply ingrained in your goals, and you have inner peace, and you are getting results, and you're enjoying it, and you're making it fun, okay? So visit jnlvip.com. Let's start your new year off right. And I'm just so grateful to help you get where you belong at life, at the top, to be a catalyst of positive change and positive influence in your life. Because at the end of the day, when I take my last breath, I can just look back at my life and say, I was the change I wanted to see in the world. I was that person that took the higher road. When everyone else was just kind of low vibrational, I stepped out into my true purpose. So thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to be your coach. And to all my VIP members, I love you. And to all my future members, I warmly invite you into the #1 online coaching program that will transform your life. And I'm excited to see the miracles with you. Smile and be well. Love you.